Yeah, kick check. Yeah, guys. Oh. Story. Downpipes. Something else. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys all had an amazing Christmas. So I'm on my way actually to my mom's house. As you guys saw, I have the downpipes back here in the trunk, and I'm going to pick up my catback exhaust. I usually have my packages shipped to my mom's, as I don't trust anybody in my apartment complexes. So I'm gonna go pick that up, then hopefully we're gonna go and install everything. I know it's kind of late in the day. I'm starting off my day off a little late. I just had to sleep in from yesterday, Christmas time. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to my mom's. I'm gonna pick up the exhaust and hopefully go to a shop to have it installed, and then I'll show you guys a few sound clips. Here, guys, the exhaust I decided to go with is actually Ark. As far as the downpipes, I believe they're AMS. I'll double check for you guys, but yeah. So let me turn this around and I'll show you guys the Ark catback exhaust. Freaking box is huge. Hey, Toby. Yeah, I got the exhaust right here. Let me just pull everything out and I'll show you guys real quick. So we got everything laid out right here by the car, and oh my god, it looks so good. Damn. Ark exhaust. I decided to go with polished tips. I know a lot of people really like going with the burnt tips, but honestly, I don't really like the way the burnt tips look, or just like on any kind of car, just not my style. I prefer the polished lips, so I went with that. But yeah, we got the whole exhaust right here, catback exhaust. Then we got the, like I said, it is AMS Performance. So the AMS Performance downpipes, these look phenomenal as well. Got the A right here, which is cool because the Ark exhaust also has the indent right here too as well, which looks freaking sick. I like the color on here too. I mean, I like little accents like this. Like, I don't really like this on the burnt tips, like with the whole, basically the whole muffler, the little lip right here. But the polished lips right here, I think just makes it look beautiful. More. Yeah, guys, got everything. Damn, it looks, I cannot wait to see what it sounds like. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited to throw this on. Unfortunately, since this is the day after Christmas, a lot of shops aren't open most of the day. Normally, I would like to do this, but like, judging it off of what my gen was, installing downpipes is not fun. Especially with the Genesis, there was a lot more engine room, so it was a lot easier to install, and that was still a pain. Normally, I would probably install the catback as it's easy, but if I'm already gonna get the downpipes done, I might as well just get everything done just so it's completed already, and I just super excited just to see the outcome. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I scheduled it. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the shop tomorrow and have this all thrown in, literally everything. So it's gonna be a completely different monster once it's completed. But let me show you guys the what it sounds like right now, just in case you guys forgot, or if you guys are new to the channel and you guys are just wondering. But as far as right now, what we have on the car is just a muffler delete. That's pretty much it. That's everything that's on the car. All right, guys. So as you guys heard, that was pretty bad. I mean, once I got it done, it was a nice little thing to it, but it wasn't what I wanted. So at the time when I first bought this car, I was looking to pretty exhaust test with like pretty much the first thing I want to do. But these exhausts are so expensive for these cars. So just the CapEx exhaust alone on the Q60, I believe. I'm not too sure about the Q50, but just the Q60, you're running almost $2,000. I believe they're like 1,800 bucks. But I got it during the December deal or their Christmas time, so I think it was like 20% off or 15% off or something like that. And I got these for around, I want to say 1,500, so it's like 300 bucks. I say like maybe like 300 bucks. So I pulled the trigger on that, especially because I was just really ambitious on trying to get this car to sound exactly how I wanted to, because I was already tired of it. And then when I was doing this, I was like, I might as well get the downpipes. So because I've been trying to put more power into the car, so might as well. Got the downpipes as well. I believe I got those for 400. So everything came out to around like maybe like almost like 2,300, which I'm pretty pleased with. Hopefully once everything's on, I really like the sound. Otherwise it's gonna be pointless. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and doing that tomorrow. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, or what you guys, because I've seen some sound clips of the Ark exhaust already, but I haven't seen any with the downpipes, because I know they also run the Ark downpipes. I don't even know if the Ark has the downpipes. But yeah, super excited to see what it's gonna sound like, guys. But yeah, guys, super excited to finally start completing the build on the Q60. I know it's been lagging a bit. It's just the holidays and the whole coronavirus thing, and just a lot of stuff at the shop too, just working a lot. But super excited to finally start getting to work on the build of this Q60. So then I'll see you guys tomorrow once we start installing everything. The car being worked on, almost done. Can't wait to hear it. Just picked up the car, guys, finally, and oh my god, it sounds so good. I hope I could pick it up right here while it's in the cabin, and then I'll do some sound tests from the outside. But it sounds really good, and I need to put gas. Let's see if you guys hear it. The car on the butt dyno is definitely faster, and it's not even in sport mode, so it's kind of crazy. I think that's just with the downpipes, but yeah, the acceleration is a lot faster. I have it with the window open right now, so let's see if you guys can hear it just a little bit better. This car is stinky right now. Probably just hear all the probably just the gaskets and just the new tubing and everything. Just the smell I really don't like that smell. But I'm gonna do a quick remote start. I had to remove the diffuser for a bit because I guess they had to remove it just because it wouldn't fit with the bigger mufflers. I'll show you guys a sound clip right now in a second when I get home.
new day. Another video I did kind of abruptly last night because it just got dark and I couldn't record everything. But this exhaust sounds amazing. I'm still gonna throw in some more sound clips. It's just raining really bad right now. Can't even go outside. So on my way to work, I actually got a new another YouTuber that's coming to the shop. A bit smaller, but you guys may know him. Hold on one second. Bit smaller than Fresh Kicks, but I basically went out and messaged him, told him if he wanted to come to the shop so we could wrap one of his cars. His name is Chris Borges. I watch his YouTube videos, so I like him. I like his videos, so I reached out to him and asked if he wanted to come to the shop and have his car wrapped. So we're gonna be doing that this week. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing some footage on that too as well. So I'll see you guys soon right now. Had to start the morning off with that cold start. But yeah, guys, the exhaust has been on for like at least 2 days, I want to say, and I gotta say I freaking love it. So it's the Ark exhaust, Ark grip exhaust, I believe. If not, I will leave it in the description. And it's the AMS performance downpipes, I believe. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna leave this in the description just so you guys can check them out if you guys were curious. Yeah, I love the sound of this exhaust. And it's definitely quicker. Like, I haven't even had a chance because it's been raining. Like, I don't even want to put it in sport mode just because I know my tires are kind of bad right now too. But it's a lot quicker. So I'm on my way to work, guys. I'm going to be filming and for the next video. We're going to be wrapping another YouTuber's car. Yeah, just stay tuned, guys. It's going to be for the next video. He's already dropped off at the shop. We're going to start wrapping it today. But yeah, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below, what the exhaust sounds like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.